INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we are going to be discussing how to preserve your natural skin and hair care beauty products. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. So today we're going to be talking about what are some ways that you can preserve your natural hair and skincare products. Natural products are more likely to go bad because they have water in them. They have more raw ingredients in them. They don't really use a lot of preservatives, or the preservatives that are in them could be a little bit more on the natural side. So they all do have a shelf life. Now, the reason why I bring this up is because if you don't know, I just dropped my armpit detox body care by Eunice in my Etsy shop. And while I was creating this and I was, filling out the information on my Etsy shop about this product, that is something that came across my mind, as in like shelf life. How can someone preserve this when using it? How can you get the best out of my product without it going rancid way before it needs to go rancid? So I decided to go ahead and do this video, not only to help you out with my personal products, but also with any other skin and hair care product that is natural that you do buy. You know how to work with it in order to make its shelf life longer, or to make it last the whole shelf life or longer. Okay, and links to this will be down below in the description box. This is my armpit detox, go check it out. So number one is storage. Storage is a big factor when it comes to the natural skin and hair care products. Where you are storing them, are you storing them somewhere where it's hot and humid? Are you storing it somewhere where it is cool? Are you sealing the lid tightly after each use? Keeping it out of direct sunlight. A lot of times you want to keep your natural products inside of a dark, cool place. You buy a natural product, they will suggest putting it in the fridge. Okay, that just keeps it cool. It keeps it away from any humidity, any heat, which can cause it to go bad a lot faster. So all about storage. Definitely when you are purchasing a product that is natural, check out how to care for it, how to keep it, how to store it. And a lot of times they will tell you in the description, or in like when you purchase it in the information, keep it in somewhere cool, store it in a cabinet, keep it out of sunlight, make sure the lid is closed tightly. Those are just some things when it comes to storage that you want to look out for to make sure that you are getting the best out of your product and it doesn't go hard or it doesn't go bad. Okay, tip number two is handling. Handling is all about are you using clean hands when you are dipping into a product like this in a jar? Or are you using a spatula? You want to make sure you always have clean hands, or I suggest really using a spatula. That would make it a lot easier for you to just make sure you take the spatula, scoop it out, apply it to the skin, and you're not like going from skin to this, because that can transfer bacteria as well into your products. And that's across the board, even not natural products, you want to be doing this. But if you are directly hands in, clean your hands first, dry them, then go in with a good amount, apply it. If you do apply it again, you might either want to wash your hands again or use a spatula of some sort. But you don't want to really double dip, because that's how you can get bacteria into your products and cause them to go bad faster. Also, avoid getting water into your products. Now, like I said, water can cause products to go bad a lot faster. They can cause mold. Okay, so with your products, try to avoid water. Okay, even the ones where you're in the shower and you know how you may grab a product and come in the shower, try not to get water into that product so that mold does not create in your product and then you have to throw it away. So try to avoid water. Okay, the next thing is expiration. So I say use by shelf date. So that you get the most out of your product and it does not waste, try to use it all up by the shelf date. Use it in your weekly, daily routine. Therefore, you're getting all of it. You're not like using it once every 2 months and then next thing you know, in 3 to 6 months, it's done, it's rancid, and you only use 2 times. When it comes to natural products, you have to use them consistently and use them up, or it's a waste of money. So I definitely say use your products consistently in order for you to get the most out of it until its expiration date. Do you know your ingredients? Okay, so When you are shopping for a natural product, just Google the ingredients. You can Google the ingredients, see if there's water in it, and also too, they usually have preservatives that are inside of here, like natural preservatives, like vitamin E is one, and there's a whole list of some other ones. I think I actually have some written down. No, I do not, but that's for another video, so stay tuned. I will talk all about natural preservatives, but they do have a lot of little oils and other essential oils that are natural preservatives that they do put inside of products. They may not last as long as the chemical ones or any of that, but they do preserve the product for a certain amount of time. And lastly, to stamp off this video, I really want to say, if your product smells or looks funny, do not use it. If you open it up and you see mold, if you open it up and it smells funny, do not use it. Now, my product here does have apple cider vinegar in it, so it will smell a little funny. But when I mean by it smells like apple cider vinegar, and this is what my product looks like if you guys did not know. It's the Underarm Detox. But do not use it. If you see mold growing, if you even see, like, you know how you may see a little water settling into it, that's kind of questionable. Just really keep an eye out and use your nose and just use your best judgment. If it looks bad, if you see mold, discontinue it, throw it out, get another one, start all over again, okay? And so hopefully that was helpful to you guys out there. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.